Hello everyone. We are studying NCERT EVS class 5 chapter 2. So open chapter 2, a charmer story. What we are studying, a snake charmer story. This is a second part of this lesson. In first part, what we learn about the story of charmers. We learn about the Kalbelias community peoples and their life. In this part, now we are going to see the next topic. Here are some questions for you students. You have to write your own answer from your own experience. So what is the first question? Have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? For example, in circus, in road, or in a park. Now student, so usually I am sure most of the children have seen animals being used in circus. Okay, in circus. I am writing my own answer here. In circus, then in tanga, bullock carts. So usually I am sure most of the children have seen animals being used circus or bullock carts or tanga. People also used bullock cart. So people use bullock carts. People use bullock to pull bullock carts in the village. They also use horse to pull tanga in a village, and might be this some taking bullocks ride, then horse ride. We can see in circus many animals, birds like lion, tiger, elephant, uh, birds. These animals used to entertain people in circus. And we can see in any fair also we can see camel, elephant, horse, and they in fair most of people taking the horse ride, elephant ride, then camel ride, and they get entertained to they entertain the people get entertained and feel happy. So this kind of animals use by people. So your answer should be here. In circles, which animal you can see many animals and birds you can see, and they entertain the people like lion, camel, horse, birds. They entertain the people. Tanga is used by horse to pull the tanga. Bullock carts used by peoples with the help of bullock to pull the bullock carts, and people enjoy the ride of tanga ride and bullock ride, horse ride and bullock ride. In fair, we can entertain by the horse ride and the and the camel ride, elephant ride. So in this way these kind of animals used by people. So which animal show did you see? Okay, now we can see the elephant, tiger, and circus. In circus, elephant, tiger, and other animal, bear. So that's it. Now how did people behave with the animals in the show? Okay, you can see if you visit the circus, you can see sometimes we can see the people are very nice with animals, but sometimes we can also see the honor of animals in circus. Okay, the honor of animals, and in any other shows we can see the honor of animals usually bites, hit the animals if animals not follow his instruction properly. So this is a little bad to we can see. Now, was anyone teasing the animal? Yes, teasing means what? Trouble. Okay, was anyone trouble the animals? We can see lots of people troubling the animals, right? Teasing means trouble, like throwing the bottles on animals in national parks, then in sanctuaries, then in circus. More, if we can see the people's many times they teasing the animals, like they are throwing the bottles and stick towards the animal, like this troubling we can see, means so we can see that some of people teasing the animals. Now what kind of question come to your mind after seeing that animals? So many questions come to our mind, okay, in for by seeing this animal. If we visit the circus, you can see many things. Owner are troubling animals, people are teasing the animals. Now see, imagine you are in a are an animal in a cage. Think how you feel. Complete the following sentence. Now you have to fill this answer by your own experience. You have to imagine you are a animal in a cage, like this lion. You are an animal like this, and you are in a cage. You are in a jail. So you have to write your own answer. So in he must be feeling, means if we are animal and we are in a cage, he must be feeling, I feel freely in jungle, means if you see the lions in a circus, what he feel, he must be feeling, I am freely in jungle, I can roam here and there, whatever, whenever I want, but I am now helpless, I am a trap in a cage, I cannot go here there as per my wish, my freedom is lost. These kind of things come to this animal's mind as per my opinion. You have to write your own opinion here. If you are an animal and if you are in a cage, you have to write your answer over here. So I am showing this answer to you. Your first answer should be this: I am afraid when my trainer beats me if I do any mistake. Your answer should be like this: I wish I could roam freely in the forest. I am sad when I remember my family members. If I had a chance, I would free into the forest. I do not like it all when people tease me. So your answer should be like this. I wrote here my own answer. You have to write your answer, student, here. Now let's move to the next topic. It is a very important topic from this lesson. As I told you, some snakes are poison and some snakes are not poison. Only few snakes are poison. That is, these 4 snake is poisons. Of the many kind of snakes found in our country, only 4 types of snake are poison. As the charmer tell us, only few snakes are poisons. So in India there are only 4 types of snakes are poisons. They are cobra. You can see here cobra, common crate, common crate. You can see here common crate. See. Then third one, Russell's viper, means Dubaiya in Hindi, Russell's viper, and saw scale viper. You can see Afai in Hindi. Only these 4 among the all snake, only these 4 snakes are poisons. Which is that? Cobra, Dubaiya, crate and Afaiya. Crate, common crate, this is, and Russell's viper also called Dubaiya, and saw scale means also called Afai. So among the all snakes, only 4 snakes are poisons. First is cobra, second is common crate, third is Russell's viper, and fourth is saw scale viper. So what is the feature of these snakes? First we will see about cobra. Cobra is the longest poisonous snake, mostly found in rainforest and black in color, but color varies from the region to region. Means color, cobra colors can change region to region, place to place. You can see here a picture of cobra found mostly in black color, but its color could be changed region to region, and mostly found in rainforest. Okay, mostly found in rainforest areas where rainfall is more. Okay, where where is heavy rainfall, in that where is a area in heavy rainfall, we can see the cobra there. Now next is common viper. See, common crate, sorry, next is common crate. What is the feature of common crate? The most deadliest snake, usually brown or black in color with a white strip on the body. You can see here picture. You can see how the pattern of common crate, usually brown and black in color, and you can see the white strip here on his skin. Now third is Russell's viper, means we also called in Hindi Dubaiya. What is a feature of Russell's viper? Oval shape. Okay, it is a oval shape, hollow or solid spots on the top of the body, light colored, grayish and brown, red, orange and grey colored also. So you can see the picture of Dubaiya, Miss Russell's viper here. Okay, the oval shape design, you can see the oval shape pattern on his skin, and it is in a red, it can be red and orange color, and also grayish and brown color. Okay, so you can see the oval shape design pattern of the skin of this Dubaiya snake. You can identify this snake, you can see student, we can identify this snake by the pattern. Okay, by the pattern of skin of these snakes. Now last is saw scaled viper. It's dry looking body covered with rough scales, means that snake's skin is rough, light color rounded patches on tap which are surrounded by two wavy lines from a head to tails. You can see the pattern of Afai, means saw scaled viper. You can see the pattern of skin of this snake, and we can see the wavy lines on from his head to tail. The wavy lines you can see the from head to tail, and light color rounded patches on the top. Okay, light color rounded patches here. Okay, that's it. So how many snakes are poisonous in India? There are 4. First is cobra, common crate, Russell's viper, and saw scaled viper. So that's it, student. So in this way we learn about snakes type in these 2 part. In a second part, what we learn, which things we learn? We learn about snakes, poisonous snakes, and how many snakes are poisonous. There are 4 snakes are poisonous. This important topic we learn in today's part, and we learn about the some animals used by people for entertainment. So in this way our lesson is finished. Now in the last, I want to tell you this answer. Like snake charmers, which other people depend on the animals for their livelihood. So here the list of the people who depend on the animals for their livelihood. Like milkman depends on cows and buffaloes for milk, and he sell that cows and buffaloes milk, and he earn money. Then poultry farm also depend on the hen, and they sell the chickens and eggs to the people and they earn money for their livelihood. And farmer depend on bullocks for plying fields. They used bullocks, and their whole livelihood is depend on only bullocks and ox. Then washerman depends on donkey to carry the uh, clothes. So that's it. Now you have to survey people who keep animals. You have to do this activity, student. Talk to some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. For example, horse for tanga, hens for eggs, and you have to collect this information. Name the animals they keep. You have to write this answer. How many animals are there? You have to write this answer by survey. And is there a separate place for the animals? You have to look out for that, and you have to write your own answer. And who looks after them? What do animals eat? Do the animals ever fall ill? कभी बीमार पड़ते हैं? What does the keeper do them for their health? What does the keeper owner do for the animals if they fall in ill? Make some more question and discuss. Means you have to take your own question here and you have to discuss with that person. Make a report in your project and read out in the class. When our school will get start, that time you have to show me this report. Okay, these questions you have to write the answers. You have to take interview of that owner person who keeps the animals with them, and you have to do that. Now you have to do one more activity here. Make snake puppet. Okay, for this activity you need socks. Take an old pair of socks, put one on your arms, means in your hand. Stick button on the bindis for the eyes. You have to stick bindis like this. Cut out a long red strip of paper for using as a tongue. You have to cut out the red strip of paper and you have to stick here. On the other side of the paper, make a V shape and cut. Your snake is ready. You have to make a puppet of snakes by using socks, red strip, and with the help of your hand. So in this way our second lesson, the snake charmer story, is finished. So good day student, bye bye. We will meet in next session.